Hello everyone, hello teacher. My name is Davinson and this is my speaking activity comparing Medellin and Bogota. Okay, the introduction. Today I'm going to compare to Medellin and Bogota. Yes, both cities are beautiful and important in this country. They are different in many ways. Population. Bogota has more people than Medellin. Yes, Medellin has fewer inhabitants. Bogota is the largest city in Colombia. Okay, the weather. Medellin is warmer than Bogota. Yes, Medellin has the best weather. Bogota is not as warm as Medellin. Transportation. Medellin has more transportation option. It has the metro, metro cable, trams, buses, and taxis. Yes, Bogota has more buses because it is a bigger city. Medellin has less traffic than Bogota. Transportation in Medellin is faster and more comfortable, but Bogota. Tourism. Medellin has more park and green areas than Bogota. Yes, many people visit Medellin because it is beautiful and colorful. Bogota has more museums than Medellin. The Gold Museums is one of the most famous museums in Colombia. Both cities are a great place to visit. Cost of living, Bogota is more expensive, yes. Medellin has lower living cost. For food in Medellin is not as expensive as food in Bogota. Yes, this is my presentation. Thank you. Bye bye.